Mave Registry is a collaborative resource for sharing progress on multiplex assays of variant effect, or Mave. In this section, we're going to take a look at how to browse and nominate targets. In order to do so, you need an account on the registry. If you don't already have an account, please go ahead and create one before you proceed. Check this tutorial if you have any problem creating an account. Let's head to the nomination view by clicking the nominations link or the Nominate Target button. On the nomination page, you can nominate a new target, filter existing nominations by type, organisms, or target name, and upvote or downvote each nomination. For each nomination, you can see some basic information about the target, the reason for nomination, and the nominator. Once logged in, you can upvote or downvote each nomination. You can also create a new project straight from the nomination by clicking the plus icon. Next, let's take a look at how to nominate our target. Click the Nominate a Target button to initiate the process. You will be prompted to enter some basic information about the target you are nominating and the reason for nomination. Once you're ready, click Nominate Target to submit. Now your nomination is added to the list. As a nominator, you can edit your nomination or delete it completely. To summarize, in this tutorial, we covered the basics on browsing and nominating targets. This concludes the tutorial series for the Mave Registry. Please feel free to contact us if you still have any questions.